Hey guys, that was so stupid, but literally today I'm just going to be showing you how to cook some gourmet meals for any type of party, specifically maybe a Super Bowl party, but yeah, I guess we're just going to go for it. I'm a gourmet chef. I studied at the Culinary Institute of America for 10 years. Took me a while to graduate, but I finally did, and I'm just ready to get started and show you guys everything that I know. So let's cook. First tip for any beginner chef is to wipe down all the surfaces, because you know what? You never know when there is a gluten particle lurking in your kitchen. So you know what? We're just gonna get rid of any worry that there could be some of the devil's grain on my counter. Sorry, we're gonna need this spatula later, you'll see. Actually, I don't know if we need it, but I'm using it because I know nothing. Dope. Whew. A little bit out of breath there because I just carried all of my ingredients up the stairs. So basically, we're going to be making two extremely gourmet meals today. You're probably going to want to write all of this down because it gets very complicated. So, first thing we're going to be making is buffalo chicken tenders. Not wings because I don't like to eat them. Seriously though, like, I remember this one time I went out to lunch with my friends and their mom. This was like 8th grade, I feel like. And we went to this place and we were getting wings, and I'm like, yum, like, this is good. And I'm like, you know what, this is a stupid story, goodbye. The most important thing you can do as a chef to make sure that your food comes out good is that you always stay hydrated. If you're hydrated, you won't pass out on the job. So we're definitely going to be drinking a lot of water today. Anyways, the first thing we're making is buffalo chicken wings. And first, okay, so I have two types of chicken. This is the Bell & Evans air-chilled gluten-free chicken tenders, breasts. Nope, yes, awesome. So, yep, those are what I'm making for me and Nick. And then I also have, sorry guys, the most Ratchet chicken I could find. It's in a bag because, no offense, I really don't feel like paying a lot of money for the other people for gluten-free, wheat-containing, milky chicken. So, that's going back in the bag because I don't feel like touching it, but we're going to do the gluten-free first, so I don't get the devil's grain on my food. And then also, because I'm lazy as heck, I also bought buffalo wing sauce. So we're not making that either. Awesome. So first things first, we're just going to be taking a bowl. This one looks about big enough for all of my chicken. Just kidding, I don't know how much is in this. Oh, it's bagged as well. Nothing better than some good old bagged chicken. You know what? So now that I've punctured the bag, you just have to carefully, very artfully drip the chicken into the bowl so it's in. So the next thing that you're going to be doing is putting in your sauce. This is the Sweet Baby Ray's gourmet sauces, which I thought was perfect because we are cooking a gourmet meal today. So, been a week since I quit gymnastics and I've lost all my strength. Clearly can't open this. So now you're just going to put 2 shots of vodka. If you don't get that reference, unsubscribe, please. Now you're just gonna mix. Oh, wait, we're gonna taste. Oh shoot, I have to cook this! Frick. These ones aren't cooked. No, I literally screwed up so hard. I don't even know how you cook these. So I guess I'm gonna bake them half buffalo-y. So just gonna bring out a baking sheet and I'm gonna wash it again so I get the gluten off of it because someone else probably used this. Also, I really don't need any hate. I can't speak English. I really don't need any hate about my haircut. I don't like it. Sorry. Literally biggest regret. I was like, yeah, like just cut an inch off. And then my hairdresser and my mom were like, girl, an inch is not that much. And then my hairdresser was like, do you want me to just cut it till I get all the dead off? And I was like, yeah, sure, girl. Like, just do it till you think it's good. Like, just cut all of the dead off because I was annoyed. And so I was getting layers so that I could style my hair. And it's so short, but all the dead's gone, so I guess that's good, but I think it looks stupid. I don't think I look good with short hair. So, rip. But my hairdresser is very good, so no hate. I just was mistaken with what I wanted and thought I knew how to style my hair, but I don't, so. Okay, oops, forgot to take a fresh dish towel. So here's the fresh dish towel. So now you dry your pan off. When she's dried, you're just gonna stick her on the counter. Next, you're going to be taking some parchment paper because, you know what? Why not protect even further against some nasty substances getting on my food? So we're just going to stick her in. And Big Daddy. Fun fact, my school has put on its like lunch menu in the cafeteria Big Daddy pizza for like months now. And every time I see it, I'm like, who decided that that was a good idea? So then I looked it up. It's the freaking brand. Of course no one decided that they were going to call it Big Daddy Pizza. It's the brand. So, if you're like me and you're stupid, don't be scared. Have faith in your lunch ladies that they're not idiots. Because they're not. Okay, so 25 to 30 minutes. So I guess I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, but it's not even heated. Preheat your oven. Nope. That's bake time. Bake to 375 and hit start and wait for her to heat up. In the meantime, we're going to start making the drink I'm bringing. Okay, so hopefully I'm not super blurry, but you know what? I'm the only one home and this camera is not working out for me. Okay, so we're only going to take them from 1/2 of the container. So I'm just going to put the ones I need in the lid. And obviously, to cut our strawberries, we're going to be using a steak knife because, yeah. We're going to be using the blender to blend these, so once I have them, I'm just going to throw them in the blender because I really don't care. Now that your oven is hot enough, you're just going to put your half-wet wings into it for 25 to 30 minutes. I like to set a timer on my microwave, so we're doing that. Okay, next thing we're going to do now is make the strawberry lemonade! So apparently, I haven't been filming the last thing I did. So basically, I just put 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in the pot because I'm making like the first half of the strawberry syrup that you just put in regular lemonade. So yeah, that's simmering. Next thing we're going to do is take the strawberries and blend them in my blender. So, making this as realistic as possible, when I blend in my home, I say, brace yourselves, and then I turn it on. So here you go. Brace yourselves. Super cool. Oh, remove from heat and let cool to room temperature. Okay, so like over here. So I guess I have to wait to put in the strawberries. And we have 17 minutes left on the chicken, so. Okay, so while the chicken is still cooking, hold on, am I supposed to flip it halfway through? Nah. So now I can put, oh damn, the strawberry into the sauce because it's like cool dish. Get that good sugary strawberry flavor. Okay. Oh, and then now I add 1 1/4 cups of fresh lemon juice. I'm about to lick this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I might start making that and just eating it. That's so good. Bless up. I mean, seriously. So now I need to juice a lemon. I'm gonna cut the lemons in half. Awesome. Okay, so now the timer's going off. Now that our chicken is ready to go, we're just gonna take it out. And now we have to let it cool, I think. So I've got my Ratchet pitcher. So it says to mix it with 24 to 28 ounces of fresh water. So I guess up to like here, but I feel like that's not that much water, you know? It really says this much water, but this is so much strawberry stuff. Oh, and I have to pour in this. Wait, let's see what that like. So now I guess I'll pour some in. I just feel like that's so like, let me put the cap on and shake it and like taste it. Yeah, it definitely needs more of this. I guess they were right. Still watery. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. This bowl, and then I can use it also for the other stuff. So this might taste terrible because the first sauce got baked onto these ones, so I don't know how that's gonna taste. Maybe I'll try one before I leave. No, because I want my Nick. No, because then if I bring 5, Nick's gonna take 3 and only leave me 2, and I'm gonna be hungry. But you know what? If I get hungry, I guess I can just eat some lemonade. Fun fact, one time in the summer, it was the summer before freshman year, I was my mom bought Newman's Own lemonade, which is like literally the best packaged kind you can get. And so I just kept drinking it because it was convenient. And like every time we'd go out to eat, I would get lemonade too. And then this was like, I was like at a summer camp and I had to skip one of the days because I had the worst stomach pain that I've ever actually had. Like tops all gluten stomach pain ever. No, it doesn't actually, it doesn't. Because this was like not stomach pain. It was like stomach, but then it was also like in my chest and like in my back. And it hurt so bad. And then it, like after like a day, I was fine. I was like, whatever. But then the last day of the camp, like we went out to dinner after, it was like a theater thing. So we went out to dinner after the final show, got lemonade. And then the next day I was like, oh my god, like it kills, like my back kills and like my stomach and my chest. So then we went to the doctor and they were like, you have so much acid in you, like So yeah. So now I'm afraid to drink too much lemonade because I don't want to have that happen again. I'm just going to scoop my wings out onto this plate. Cute. Okay, so now I'm going to taste one. Yep, those are good. I haven't had buffalo wings in years because most places, first off, can't make them gluten-free, and most sauces have butter in them. Oh my god. Okay, so now moving on to the Ratchet normal people chicken. I'm pretty sure this one's already cooked. Yeah, breaded and cooked. So I can just puncture this gal. Ew, I wish I had gloves. Oh my god, this smells so bad. Okay, I'm leaving that in. Oh my god, ew. Alright, so I'm just getting gluten as well as some just cow growth hormone. Getting that everywhere. Oh my god, this is way too much chicken. Okay, whatever. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm just not going to touch my phone until after I, like, spend 11 hours cleaning this up. Okay, so I think it's mixed, so I'm literally just going to put these on the most Ratchet, literally the baking sheet I used for the other chicken. We're just going to lump them on and just hope for the best, because these suck. Oh god, this is disgusting. Purdue, like, hit me up if you need a worker. This chicken isn't even Purdue chicken, but just, like, I've literally, like, the Purdue chicken plant might be the grossest smelling place I've ever been. Not trying to be rude, not trying to get any hate on Purdue, but, like, it's seriously disgusting. He's in Virginia, maybe? I don't know. I just know when we would drive to the Outer Banks, we would drive past the Purdue chicken plant. And literally the stench is out there, like, you're driving through the smell for, like, miles. Okay, maybe, like, 2 miles, but, like, still. That's gross. That's bad. Like, garbage factories don't even smell that bad, I don't think. Taste it. I have to touch that? Well, you can get a fork. That's what I was kind of thinking. Get a fork and a plate. You'd remove a couple and put them on a plate. Alright, buddy. I'll have like 2. Okay. There's just like so many. Okay, grab from the bottom, why don't you? Alright, take them away. Well, actually taste it on camera. I want my viewers to see how good of a chef I am. Chef. They're cold. Sorry. It's good besides it's cold. Okay. Guess that's it for my video because I cooked everything I'm cooking, so. Comment down below your favorite thing to cook.
Comment down below if you're a chef.
And please subscribe. I know this was bad, but please subscribe.
She's trashy.
For more trashy videos like this, and for more Ratchet cooking. So, yeah. Thanks. Alright, bye guys. See you next time.